Hello, and welcome to my channel. Now, today I have something very special to tell you about, and this is my huge giant trip that I'm doing. Some of you may know, some of you don't, but I'm actually traveling to Latin America for the next I don't know how many months. And this is going to be super incredible and super amazing, and it's the first trip of this kind that I'm doing, and I am so excited you have no idea. And it's so amazing. I've only planned what I'm gonna do in Mexico and Belize, but like after that I have no plans, and I'm gonna plan as I go. And this is going to be such a giant adventure. I've never done anything like this in such a big scale, and I'm so excited and thrilled and a little bit worried. So today I want to pack my bags with you and show you what I'm taking for this trip that is probably gonna be about maybe 6-9 months, maybe a year, I don't know. And I'm going to share everything here with you in YouTube. I'm going to post every Wednesday and Sunday, so make sure to hit the subscribe button and follow me along, because I'm gonna be sharing my experience with you, and I can't wait. I'm leaving soon. It's wow. Alright, so let's get going. Let's see what I'm packing for my huge trip in Latin America. First things first. Now, I'm going to be traveling with one suitcase that will be checked in, and then one backpack. Now, I bought the Osprey Fairview 40-liter backpack, which is actually quite the big backpack. It's very how do I say, like, it's very viral on TikTok, and I saw so many girls posting about this backpack and saying that they're happy with it. I hope that that's not like a paid ad or something. It's an actual review of people, which it looks like it, but I'll tell you about it later when I've used it a little bit. But so far it looks legit. It looks really good and comfortable, and we'll see. All right, now look at all this mess. Let's make sense of that, and let me show you everything that I got. All right. And this is my dog. I will not be packing her, but you know, she's gonna stay with my mom. And she's looking at something. Who knows what she's looking at? Let's dig into it. So I have here, let me show you over here. I do need to repack some stuff, so I will be just going through everything with you. I have four pairs of shorts. I think that should be fine for now. If I need something else, I'll just get it. I have 7 t-shirts, all different kinds. This one is for doing sports, this one is for going out, this one is for going out, and a couple just to be comfy in the hostels. And then I have about 10 pairs of tops, because I like to wear them and they do get dirty quite easily, so prefer to have a few more. Most of them are just simple, plain and basic, and then I have a couple to just go out, I guess. This is a comfy jumpsuit that I have that I can just use for the hostel or go to the beach or whatever. But this one is a comfy one, so I'm taking it. I have 2 blouses with long sleeves, and this is just like a this has a short sleeve. It's more like a top that I use like over a top. I don't know, it's basically a t-shirt, but yeah, I like to use this as like when I'm a little bit chilly. That's how I use it. And then this one is a nice top as well. Oops, sorry. This one is a nice top as well. It's sort of like a, this is from the fancy ones. Like, you know, I like to have clothes like this in case I decide to go on a date or something. Or maybe something work related, whatever. I don't know. But yeah, this is what I'm taking. I think it's nice, and it could bring a little bit of style to something that's not really stylish, like whatever. This is a thermal blouse for when I go hiking. It's not really the best one, but it does the job. All right, this is a beach shirt. Now what we have here, this is a beach shirt that I just use to go to the beach. It's nice, it's light, and it does the job of keeping my arms away from sun when I've gotten too much of it. This is also for the beach. It also has my arms covered, so it's also nice. The layer is a little bit more thick, so it helps when I want to just feel refreshing but be fully covered from the sun. I have a light skin and sun is very annoying to me. All right, this is a skirt. This is one more skirt, and the rest are a couple of, no, actually it's 1, 2, 3, and then 4. That's 4 dresses that I have. 4 dresses, 2 skirts, and 2 beach tops or something, like to cover myself on the beach. All right, now we move to the trousers or leggings or both. So this is something these are long these are long ones. I'm gonna be using this one to sleep whenever I feel a bit chilly, or to just chill at the hostel. This one is sort of the same, but different. This one is to do some sport whenever I'm hiking. This is what I'm gonna be wearing. I should probably get another one, but we'll figure that out. This one is a little bit more elegant when it's ironed, and I like to have that just in case I decide to go somewhere a little bit more fancy, or you know, you never know. These 3 are basically for the city, to chill, or to go to the beach too. I have 2 towels. This one is like a medium towel, and this one is for the beach, and it's a big one. And I can also use that one for the bathroom if I need to, but I think 2 is enough. The thing is that in some hostels they actually ask you to pay for the towels, so I don't really want to do that, and this one is gonna be my personal towel, so like it's more convenient. I'm a girl, you know. And then I have a long sleeve blouse that I'm going to be traveling with. This is just a main shirt that I use it. Usually I use it just like a top on top of a crank top or something, or a t-shirt when I'm feeling a little bit cold. But I really like it. I have a waterproof jacket and waterproof and windproof, which is cool. That's just a warm jacket. I will be traveling with those. They are for hiking, but I will also be traveling with them because here in Bulgaria it's still a little bit chilly. And the rest is just some underwear that I've packed. Now let's move on to the other stuff that I'm packing. So this is something I got from Temu and it was basically for free because I made a big order, then they gave me some free credit, whatever. Snorkeling gear. This is like the fins, and then I have a mask, and a snorkel, and yeah, I'm taking this with me. Even if I at some point I decide to like give it to someone, it's fine. Like I paid nothing for this. It's whatever. I got a hat. Okay, I need to adjust this, but anyways, this is a hat. It's gonna be very useful. This is a water resistant bag, 10 liters. It's so basically you fold it up like this, and then you attach the back ends to each other like this, and then you use it on your back. I've never used one like that, Zara. I've never used one like this, but we'll see. Zara. All right, what's next? Flip-flops. Sandals. We'll see how long they last. I have 2 rain jackets. Raincoats. What are they? What's that called in English? Whatever. It's nylon that you put on top of yourself whenever it's raining. I have one gift for my uncle. I got him the Nazare eye because it's for his house, because that's where I'm going, and I think it's a cool gift, isn't it? I like it. It's to remove bad spirits from his house and unwanted guests, people who want to do him harm. I think it's sweet. Then I have my tarot cards for whenever I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do, so I can just do the cards and they'll tell me or something. I don't know. I'm not really that professional. I got a gimbal. I got this gimbal off Amazon. So far it's really good and it's really helped me make my videos better. I hope that that's gonna be like noticeable once I start doing my vlogs in actual space outside. But let's see. I have an airplane pillow and I also, cool hack, I keep this thing always in this pocket so I never lose it. That way I always have a blindfold for my eyes whenever I'm on the plane. Because last time I thought like, oh shit, I forgot mine. Like I forgot my blindfold, but then I was like, wait, I got it, it's here. I was so happy because I really was able to sleep on the plane. Oh my god. Okay, let's not suffocate, right? That's not gonna be optimal. What else? Ooh, look, I got a pepper spray. This is not a commercial. I haven't even opened it yet. I am going to try it at some point, but I need to be outside so I don't spray myself or whatever. But yeah, I got a pepper spray. They said, like, according to Google, I can transport this in my checked-in luggage, but it can't be in my brought on board luggage. So I need to check this in. I got can you guess what this is? I'll stop the video. Guess what this is in the comments. This is to put below the door. I know I'm sleeping in hostels, but there will be times that I will have my own room and it's a little bit more freaky when you're traveling alone or something. So I will be using this to put on below the door, and if someone tries to open it, then it's gonna get stuck and it's not gonna be able to open it. This is my international driving license. I don't know if I'm gonna use it. Probably I won't, but you never know. So I got it. It's 1 year. It's due for 1 year, so, and it's not that expensive, so I got this. All right, moving on. I got this super cool bottle. This is Life Straw, and it has a filter. Let me show you. This is not an ad, but if you want to, Life Straw, like if you want to contact me and pay me for this ad, no problem. So this bottle has a filter that filtrates all bacteria. It filtrates all bacteria and microorganisms, carbon, microplastics, and biodegradable metals. And then you sip. So the idea is to not spend money on water because I've already paid for this bottle. I got paper because sometimes it's useful to have that when you're traveling. This is my first aid kit. I know it doesn't say first aid kit. It says Vichy. This is also not an ad. Nothing on Vichy is inside. Vichy, I don't know how you spell it. This is French. I'm not that fluent. But anyways, like I have inside dental stuff. I don't use that, but I have it. Don't know why. This is hydrogen peroxide. It's basically to clean any wounds if you have. I have bint or whatever that's called. I don't know how that's called either. Probiotics. That's it. I do need to buy a few more things. I should probably add that to my calendar. Anyways, a couple of books. One National Geographic about the Amazonian jungle, and one book about Mexico. It's a travel guide of somebody, Sergei Girjikov, and it's for Mexico. I thought it was interesting, like an interesting read. I have 13 hours on this flight and I'm gonna be bored out of my mind, and it's best to read something. It's gonna make me fall asleep easier. This is Travel with Confidence from Qatar Airways. This is also not an ad, but Qatar if you want. This is a cable bag. Inside I have a bunch of stuff. Like a bunch of cables, charger, portable battery, wet wipes, another pack, mosquito repellent, is a hairbrush so I can form my hair, compression bags. Good idea. Let me know what you think. Is that a lot of luggage Or is that not enough? Like, how would you pack for an unknown amount of time? Like, I'm leaving for at least 6 months, but it could be a year. I don't know. What do you think? And as you're watching this, I'm probably somewhere up in the air flying around. Flying to Mexico. Alright guys, I'll see you in Mexico. Next video is on Sunday. And it's gonna be about me getting to Mexico City. Alright, see you next time. Bye!